my project is the topographic map. It was a 3D project we had to do that we were learning about, like, what is it? Volcanoes? Not volcanoes, like land. You're seeing how it would go up elevation, down elevation. There was a depression, which is like right here. But basically, what that meant was like, after it would get to the higher level, there would be like a little hole, not a little hole, like a gap, and that would bring it down a level. So like this would mean like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. So it would go up, but then if you would find a depression, it would go down. It took us like a week to do this. We had to plan it out, draw it out, and then we had to cut cardboard. We had to glue it together. And then the reason that it looks dark in the bottom and that it gets lighter is because it's going. So what we did was when it goes up elevation, we were making it go lighter each time.
Cool. So how did you choose that specific landmass to make?
We wanted to make something like not original, like we wanted to make something different. Like I know you've never seen like a mountain like this.
Yeah.
Like, so we wanted to make something different from original.
Okay. Is it modeled after something real, or is it modeled after just something from your mind?
Something from our mind. It wasn't just me, it was a group project.
Cool. Awesome.
Took a lot of work.
And when you were designing it, were you thinking about the type of terrain, the landscaping surrounding it,
No, the way we thought of it was just like a big open field, like we had to work with. Like so, we had like a big land right there, and like we had to make something out of it. So we made something out of it.
Did you imagine like what this landfill, what the weather was like in this landfill? What made?
We actually made a story about it.
Yes, that's what I wanted. Did you come up with some like an imaginary plot to help you come up with this? Like you said, it's out of the ordinary, the shape and everything. So I was wondering if there was a story or plot behind it. Could you tell us a little bit about it?
So the story was, it was three of us. It was three of us. It was Justin, Medina, and
Pedro?
no, Medina.
Ashley Medina?
No, Pedro is Medina.
Oh, Pedro Medina. Yeah, Pedro. Okay.
And then Francesca.
Okay, so two boys and a girl.
We were on a supposedly hiking trip, and then what happened was we climbed all the way up. Pedro got hurt on the way up, and then so we had to go back down and get him. So like basically what we did was we were going over the mountain, we were going back down.
Did you imagine if it was like hot or cold
Oh,
or rainy?
It was snowing.
It was snowing. Okay. You know, I'm a theater teacher, so I'm wondering what's the story behind this, because it looks like it definitely had a story. So because when I saw it, I'm like, wow, what is the story behind this? I'm starting to imagine, you know, where this is, what could be happening. It was snowing, so is that why you made the top like kind of whitish snow?
Yeah, that and the elevation, because like we changed the colors going. When it got higher, we changed the color.
So as you got higher, there was more snow, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay, nice job.
Cool, interesting.
Any more questions?
This is for earth science, right?
Yeah.
So what happens to the rocks as you get like higher up in elevation? Like, why did you change the colors?
The reason we changed the colors because we didn't want it to look all red on top of that also.
Okay.
So we wanted to change it because like the higher, you know how higher elevation,
yeah,
like it gets like, what is it? What do you say? Like it gets more
colder? Pressure?
The pressure, like it gets like more, like I think heavier, I guess.
Yeah.
So like that's why we wanted to change that as well.
It's lower. Okay. Cool. Awesome. All right. Anything else?
Any questions? Any more questions?
No.
Okay, me too.
You
I'm gonna.
have any
You
questions?
guys have any questions? Pan to the audience. Okay. Great. Thanks, Alberto.